Must-try snacks in Japan. Kogumi Introducing Kogumi. Chewy gummies that give you a big taste in every bite. Kogumi are small, but have just the right amount of elasticity. They are neither too soft nor too hard, but have a perfect balance. They come in 4 flavors: grape, apple, and muscat. The more you chew, the more the real fruit juice flavor bursts in your mouth, making each bite more enjoyable. The perfect on-the-go snack. The Kogu flavor will keep you coming back for more. Try it now and you will not be disappointed.